Okay, pull. Tighten. Tighten, okay. Tighten, everyone.
Don't
Lift
pull.
it up. Go to Mika's direction. We only have 2 glass left. Go more. Straight, just straight to Mika's direction. Up.
Yan.
Down. Down. Down.
Oops, Sir
Josh,
Josh.
go towards Josette direction, Josh, kasi matatapik mo yung isang glass. Go to Josette direction, guys. Oops. Again, go to the Russell's direction. Not too far. Stretch. Go to my direction a little bit. Stop. Down. Down. Tighten. Tighten, everyone. Go to Mika. Pull your. Go to Mika's direction. Tighten, everyone. Tighten, everyone. Tighten. Go to Mika's direction. Go to Mika's direction. Go to Mika's direction.
Huwag niyo-
A little bit. Tighten, tighten, guys. Go to Mika's direction, Russell. Russell.
Yan.
Oops. Move a little bit to Mika's direction. Straight, just straight ahead.
TL versus TL10.
Move a little bit more. Down.
Galing.
No.
English
Higher,
versus Tagalog.
higher. Move towards direction of Mika, but in the center movement. Ups,
Yan.
down.
Oops.
Okay, ups. Carol, pull it a little bit. No. Just a bit. Oops. Put it back a little bit, Carol, towards Mika's direction. Back, Josh, pull it to your direction. Just a little bit, Josh. Down, everyone.
Yan.
Pull it a little bit, Mika, towards, oops, down. A little bit, Mika and Josh, just a little bit, okay? Towards your direction, Mika and Josh. 1. Mika, forward it, pull it towards your direction, Mika. Oops. Jan, pull it towards your direction, just a little bit, just a little. Just to, go, Jan, pull towards your direction. Pull, and Russell and Joe push towards John's direction a little bit, just a little, guys. Go. Stretch,
Yan.
stretch, everyone. Mika, stop.
Okay. Ang taas eh.
Up.
Yan.
Yan!
Go towards my
Ayos na
direction. Mika and Jan stretch.
Last one na dito.
Mika and Jan stretch. Carol stretch. Down,
Okay.
everyone. Carol and Russell stretch.
Yan.
Tighten, everyone.
Okay. Oh, kalma.
Just, no. Go to Russell's direction. Stretch.
Oops, Mika.
Tighten, everyone. Tighten.
Oo.
Just pull it again. Up, higher. Go down. Stretch. Russell, stretch it towards your direction. More. Carol as well. Stretch it toward my direction. Down, guys. Down. Okay.
Tighten.
Tighten, everyone. Tighten.
Oops.
Mika.
Tighten.
Okay. Left it higher, guys. But
Huwag niyong
tighten,
i-pull.
tighten.
Yan.
Higher, go.
Last one na yan, guys.
Go to the center a little bit.
Mats, everything is under control.
Go more. Towards John's direction, just a little bit. Mika's direction, just a little bit. Okay, just try to pull it down. Down, guys, kasi nasa pangatlong. Joe and Josh,
Sige.
put it towards your direction, guys.
TL, ayusin mo. Taas.
Up, higher.
Yan.
Pull it down. Lower, down.
Slower.
Slow. Josh, pull it, and Mika, pull to your direction a little bit, just a little bit.
Okay, yan.
Release.
Oops, dahan.
Okay! Blue team! Kaya!